Matisse Cameroon confusion scene.
Na me Adom watching.
A China no bono. Ana Cameroon for AISM or music assembly.
Oh, but Obake your first match against Uganda. And so a day-to-day game. Na confusion, almost confusion. They see Black Stars. The day are you Jordan Asamojan. Also as usual, no a captain.
Yeah.
The day I used to that be send a tournament in the city and no men was a lady. My stories no BBC will be a fire, but no no credit. But the couple game the Uganda 1-0. And sometimes a strategy. And you will feel confusion.
Aha. Do I relaxing?
Come on, for so no. Omo ye nkophobia. Sebi omo ban show football.
That's it.
So and some of these things.
Kuni gari ne dia na mudi.
Ah, it's no man.
Omo botare do.
So we put the musu sa.
Omo nya we dey totofewa. There's no big person behind it.
The issue is that
Omo nya de.
Omo top players as many as 8 omo na rejected call up so omo mbesi akan this particular tournament in the omo ma. Nti coach no kofa nkra and a normal way no munya bi mbo no. And look at where they are.
But they've done well.
Yeah.
Oh, and look at lack no we do semi.
But $2,500. Anna Obi Didi Ghana for in attempt.
Obi be nya Razak Brahma.
Yeah, I think so.
But what is the basis for that?
See, you pen for no edu baby. I will come asama. Officer won't pay more but say Razak Brahma Didi Ghana for in attempt. But the info say half of them.
Not half. No. Even the president.
No, but no, T. So no, T. What's your voice now? What's your voice now? Or say, or more you negative people.
Oh, they are negative.
And she said, "Yeah, one and they are
negative.
Oh, say be negative. You'll be not criticizing the CBA on Yadi.
But the question is that what is the basis for negative? Oh, yeah, national asset. Maybe hey, Obi to me frame it can argument throughout the whole day.
Yeah.
You are only obliged to say Madam and I say next time may say and okay, fetch him can make me nipa. So what I say. Because if you say because you are here,
or ignore it.
It's a privilege Ghana and the man.
Of course.
So what I say. Into that privilege the amount. Even I don't know what went into the deduction, but if indeed in some more kind, then we shouldn't have even deducted the money.
Of course, yeah.
So what I say, $2,500. Now, what do you mean?
So far, when you have $26,000,
it couldn't have been now only $2,500.
The paydium, excluding the paydium, this now what's the $2,500?
BBC I bet na DFPR dia na so more de na dia ja
pepa
all right yansama Ghana for ina akwaba Agokansie wo Badwam ana oni gusa wo hwe no me amigire mo de nsam na ba na me dina de Frank akwesi ejam da pepa man nsam no edoso na so ne safata no na osa wotene no ana ya bobo na yede eba badan mo awo dwumadie so na emuapi ayepi led muchu led salad yan shase but yan fast the kese no ma gfast mixture papa enra madam fu bi edi ho adanse kese pa edemame because me ma so ahwe na abibia me di ho adanse de che na office obi a entro bi na metwa no enra ono a wa conference sampa the wife wajinedi for so many years or more no enra and the wife wajinedi pa because we used to gfast mixture be ma sabi untumi mbo edwuma onye bia ebetumi abo waste pains ni na no asebetu kama ediama osanso na sabi untumi enwo ba low sperm count no sperms no so oho de obo edwuma na sperms de ba but ntumi ye bibia misrawo onye gfast mixture ebetumi abo be oba so sabi waste pains no sisi yare ne menstrual pains no ya bisana na ya obedi ho adanse de akiro gfast mixture bisa no de alternative no so ya wo de da obafre bia bisa no obedi ho adanse me director so Eunice offend agrokra gfast mixture papa eno na mekanfo ede ama obetumi afre na oni edinsa so 0203689888 0203689888 and I say 0261 319895 ubetumi afre na ososo wenya wode G-Fast Mr. Papa yenshen sabana se na yenkopie mu obi mai so na chese na ya o hadwio English Premier League no match sin bi eba so na enye bete Chelsea for league leaders na nkomo hwenim so kwa bia so no makwahye Liverpool na so Liverpool come back big time pa I just said Chelsea for fantastic goal from David Luiz and so bete kana game no ba na wie no na obi a hye ne yanko eka bako Arsenal the Gunners amutene fema Watford na hie nika yenhwe highlights ne kakra. Okay, ya kuyenum Arsenal for etene fema Watford ebe hye na kamienu Otimo eba ko sanso na Bournemouth eso etene fema Crystal Palace hye na kamienu a ono so entumi anti Middlesbrough no West Brom game no obi a hye ne yanko eka bako Sunderland ne Tottenham Hotspur eso obi entumi amfobo Anthony yanko atina mo Swansea City hye mienu ma Southampton etimo eba ko na Swansea City na me ya Adom after AFCON Jordan Ayew Obukwesi akan ediamo mo 6.5 million pounds sterling Jordan from Aston Villa Obukwesi akan ediamo Swansea City obakia last season nunu penny Dede Ayew esi akan ansa obuna ketemo ekopie mo West Ham United Liverpool 1 Chelsea 1 nyame adoma na match se eba so ne sei na besi akọ West Ham United Manchester City Hull City almost so edibo in stance no Stoke City and Everton almost so edibo premier so English Premier League. We have here in Chemo the 31st edition of a total African Cup of Nations. Gabon na menoka say Agokansie no emoye deno park 2 matches na tournament ni na abone we nyame ya demand game back on eba so 7 p.m. Cameroon against Burkina Faso sanso no China Ghana against Cameroon 2008 repeat or revenge. Na Agokansie big game no captain Adom the senior national team the Black Stars of Ghana Asamoah Wakasa.
Yeah, right now I'm working on my fitness. Yesterday I felt some improvement. Today was much improvement. So tomorrow I'll start with the team and then see how it goes. I have to work on a match situation. So I'm gonna do that tomorrow, and then I can declare myself fit, and the medical team also can declare myself fit.
Okay, nti Asamoah captain Adom the senior national team the Black Stars of Ghana and I'm very confident. And I say I'll show him say nyame Adom ochina no bibia be koyie diamo no na we lead the Black Stars nyame Adom a ye share Cameroon na Sunday Ghana ekwa grand finale against Burkina and I say Egypt ebehwe na yedi chire na still Black Stars camp Razak Brahima and sense some odo betudwa awodidi Ghana for atam no and the Ghana Football Association pending for Black Stars Management Committee omoko asetena no mo say omadom esiko na ne abrante ne ye no ensem fata enti ohwe omo code of conduct article 6 clause 1 and then clause 2 and omo fine no $2,500 enti Razak Brahima omo gisa sike we ya omo de baba fie na omo de akwa charity na achese omo so ahwe nim se kwa bia so bibia bekoyi e de amade senior national team the Black Stars of Ghana to winning summer Ebu Popa. Yemfi Black Stars akache na yenkopie mu club mu ensensem na nkobia num se Ghana Premier League weekend we jumedi no eba so nanso ena impedi 4 editu dwese clubs no actual krata akese pa de abrom se omunye ready enti no omuntu league na nhyeda enti yame adoma 11th and then 12th of February ana jumedi no ehyasie Heart of Folk enra ebeto dwase omo players anko training na enye nika Kwame Oparado kasama for Eduma Boboko no yebisa ne say adenti ana players no no omanko training na nhihye no kra no etisen Eduma Heart Boboko no.
True, the players were not there, and I had to call the captain of the team and also call the general captain of the team. They've given their reasons for not attending training. I'm Zadibakwa at the stable man. I say because we don't have a coach now, everybody's bothered, and my main control must say. Nobody is happy. Say up to this period, the new coach. I am not happy. I know all the management members. Nobody is happy. But then, and also in terms of say yet hosa hakeke. And penny for 18 hujuma ye pa senka bibia ko yi a nka yende nka ya chefa wie anka nka me no nka se bi kra nka ye be on veli coach ene. But coach in a circumstance it means that we have to act very fast and in another direction. Into plan B, they go so be making sure say everything will go well. Into munya buche ever my.
Kwame, na enim say nka aja new coach eba ehon sam na kwesi sen.
House of Folk ticket either sending on everything was ready. They say when enim say nka Jordan Numreno about people. But unfortunately, along the line out to and crash no wife accident kakra. As when you fracture in the nine and I say the hip bone in that same area until anya do bit me jana wife or tries to be POB nani pa kono attend to the wife and all of that. So we think that at this critical period, we cannot continue to wait until management is share and rap. And CVs are you receive and our shortlisted coaches are 7 of them answering yedi back one car on Jumano. We'll go back there now. Yakwako Akano. Never say Yebenya a very suitable one if you move the House of Folk because time nature to intensity active very fast.
Kwame Operado Kasama for the Makra to Folk ana Moshano. Na Niabubo Baneche say former Cameroon assistant coach Ghanaian this year Ibrahim Tanko Hearts impeding for no Edim Common say or Japan idea or coach Boboko na Samson Masoud Didi Dramane former Kumasi Asante Koroko head coach on someone in Edim Common the House supporters send no Besiako Ediama Boboko but in the place na Japan and no Ocean Shima across so Heart of Folk NCC and then management players no nti ase ayedwuma nde anope omoko training na omakwa kwhwese bibia bekoyi ediama boboko nyame ya adom na lege ne hyase a how to folk in interlice no mode Agokansie no edebapim so Elwak Sports Stadium ho na Agokansie no betodwa na ye kan interlice ho sensam no so no coach Prince ya owusu ejiremu edema interlice o say club no wo hwe omahu sisi omaye so far dia na omaye ready nyame ya adom na lege ne hyase obi abehu sampa interlice ejana na so
the way I'm here no call ye fine 24 so ma eniema to 2 year nkala no sika 7 eniema nyina say mo ne nkala no kasa ma aniji aba nti me feel say there's bibia ni ho a be kase bia hinta mo nyere mo ho anya adwuma no na part na ya wie tactical on park so na you go to and we have maybe 2 days more to go into House game in the first team and until we are preparing towards that we see how we can play them I think could be better team no we are there only be able until yo first preseason and I say for players so far no far to match all those teams I say way many ways she has in the so far no me complaining about the fixtures no okay Didi mo mpa usan say nkola no modern ball so many na me catch on ye bia mo ye na ya bobo for any matches are fine and the way am born no mama niji team bit say dreams you know my ball several times and na nkola no am live to the hype no say I'm okay.
Okay, it's coach Prince ya Owusu former Tama Youth former Mediama head coach and they will copy more our interlice. Abrantia ni dina Isaac Chum enso so oginamo de ma Boboko ani dina de interlice. Ye ne di nkomo o se no mrente no mu na o ma krado nyame ya adom na salege na hyase a bibia be koyi di amom.
Bibia e boko nyame na dom I think say ye koyi nim o hwe new boys they will be put in effort na me gidi say you put in more you be koso akoye nim sane e kon obia nim say House of Folk a big club benya no na ye hwehwe yes as a place we want name for ourselves into definitely you be share House of Folk enye name no na ye ba be share is 11 on the pitch into no ye ni SSC ye hu the way be carry game no then ya hwe ne e de bebre.
All right, so Isaac Chum and Mosheno no nyame adoma league na hyase first game of the season interlice against Heart of Folk back tracker obeka last season under coach Keniche Watamas to telephone so interlice for 2 goals second half and so Heart of Folk bounce back betiti 2 goals in the third goal at the pace so obeka Musa Ibrahim Musa Ibrahim na just Brent and that any dear or Ginidin Pa nyame adom ebehwe St. Alex for ebeko for revenge and it's a heart to folk beko for repeat yamfie ni enchemu ewo ensemfu from dia Kumasi Asante Koroko almost so gusto mo ya unsisi a che say nan komo very confident say nyame adom a weekend we bibia beko yi da mo against Liberty Professionals na so mpedifo etulege no e de ashada ne so mpedifo di tudwa say still na omugu so mo ya unsisi a se bibia beko yi e de ama Kumasi Fantabulous Asante Koroko Muntari Sule Ali Muntari me no ke say officially wa join Piscaras ewo Italy anyame ya adom abrenti obesi akan e de ama omo san so na Jordan Ayu me de atudwa dada say ene we kopie mu ewo Swan City anyame ya adom next season no and say this season kwan after AFCON obesi akan e de ama Boboko no ensam no dawson nanso abibia ne safata no so wotene no ana ebobo ana kama na ye de ba life ewo Badwam Agokansie mi amitina modern ensam no ba no medina de Frank akwesi ejam na mo before me kono yemfa sere kase ma Gfast mixture papa bema misraw se wo pese wudi agro na wudi agro chapa dia na wife oji wudi a Gfast mixture sanso na oba ubu nsana se wote ye wa Gfast mixture no ana mekanfo ede ama obetumi afren na woni edi nsa wo so 030 0203 689888 and I say 0261 319895 drugstore bia obekobia no onsabeka bi na chese wo so no ana metumi akoyi ediamo asarakase na nkoma Eunice Foley me director and then Sergio Manucho me producer and camera guys ni na so ma bo edwuma yie pa and then sound guys no so no mo peje o monsa mu na ma bo edwuma fantastic happy new month nkoma Ghana for ina na me adom ochena be se share